This adorable Kirby donut is made with pipe cleaners. Let's make one together. Start with a foam ring. Glue one end of a pipe cleaner in place, then wrap it around the ring. When you run out, attach another pipe cleaner and keep wrapping. Continue until the entire ring is covered. Take white, blue, and black pipe cleaners. Remove the fuzzy fibers to make the eyes. Roll the wire into tiny spirals, then glue them together to make 2 eyes. Attach the eyes with hot glue. Roll a pink pipe cleaner to make 2 little arms. Use a darker pink pipe cleaner to make 2 tiny feet. Shape a pink pipe cleaner into a bow. Twist it twice to secure. Repeat the same steps with the remaining pipe cleaner. Add another pipe cleaner and keep filling in the bow. Trim the excess, then glue the bow together with hot glue. Fold a yellow pipe cleaner into a star shape. Glue the two ends together. Use the remaining pipe cleaner to wrap and fill each point of the star. Trim the tips into nice sharp points. Glue the star onto one of Kirby's little hands. Add a little blush for an extra cute touch. Attach the keychain hardware, and you're all done. Super easy, right? If you make one, don't forget to show me.